Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property Group. I'm at Bonita National Golf and Country Club. Construction is booming and I've got some great inventory deals here for you. This is the Stanford floor plan, part of the Manor line of homes here at Bonita National. This home, as you see it, comes with a 3-car garage, tile roof, hurricane impact glass and doors. Currently, this home is priced at $535,000. We can get you this home for $465,000. That's $70,000 off the price. Let's run inside and take a look at this awesome home. On the inside, you're gonna have 2,267 square foot of living space, 4 bedrooms, 3 bath. Let's take a run inside real quick and give you a full tour. This home here is scheduled to be done by the end of May. So it is ready to go. The best discounts always with Lennar are gonna be with their inventory products. So as we come inside the home, directly to the left, you have this little hallway that leads you into the first of the bedrooms here. Nice sized bedroom with a window out front, let in lights, lots of light. You can use this as a bedroom or a den. It does have a closet, and all the closets have wood shelving, as you can see here. And the nice part about this room, whether you use it as an office space or as a bedroom, you have an ensuite bath here with the full shower. So really attractive to have this room have its own bathroom. Now as we come out the hallway and go into the main area here, you've got the kitchen here that you see, but directly to the left, this is your dining space. Some folks will repurpose this as an additional seating area, depending on how you want to use it. But you've got a nice dining room space here. You have this great room type design that sits right off the kitchen here. Huge island, plenty of room for bar stools. And this is just a huge kitchen here. You've got these antique type white cabinets, stainless steel appliance package. You have the wall oven and microwave, the standalone cooktop with the hood above it. Nice size island. You can get a couple more bar stools here, and then you also have the eat-in kitchen area here as well. So you have 2 options for dining, your eating kitchen area, and then also directly across in your dedicated dining space there. And just off the kitchen makes it really convenient. You do have the laundry here with additional storage above the washer dryer. And then just off this room, you have the 3-car garage, painted epoxy floor. All of your garage door openers are included as well. And it's a painted and finished garage, as you can see here. Now coming back through, on the left side of the great room here are the other 2 guest bedrooms. They're just across from each other. The first one sits right back here towards the rear of the home. Nice part about this home is you have the sliding doors for your closets as opposed to the bifold doors. Nice option to have, and again, the wood shelving is a good feature. And sandwiched right in between the 2 bedrooms here, you have your guest bath, dual sinks. You've got your toilet and your tub and shower combo. And again, directly across, you have the 3rd guest bedroom here. And again, the sliding pass-through doors with the wood shelving for your closet. Directly across is the master suite. Really nice size master. And this has a big window overlooking your pool area and the lake. And that leads you to this huge closet here. Double tiered wood shelving. The camera probably doesn't do it any justice, but this is a huge closet. And then in the master bath, you have the glass enclosed shower with your soaking tub, and again your dual sinks and then your private water closet here. Now this pool does have the summer kitchen as well as the pool package with the spa. So right outside, you've got a nice little lanai space here under truss, nice and shaded, perfect for your little 4-top table and chairs. Great place to hang out, enjoy the Florida lifestyle. You've got the summer kitchen here with the grill, the fridge, the vented hood. This is all run by propane. And then you've got this great pool area. Plenty of room for seating on one side. Bring out your loungers and catch some rays. And beautiful pool package here. So you have your spa, pool, the heater, all of that's part of it. And this beautiful view out of the back. So this home here, folks, again, this is a Stanford, part of the Manor line of homes here at Bonita National. $535 is the list price. We can get you this home right now, $465,000. It's going to be ready here by the end of May. This is your chance to acquire one of these great properties at Bonita National. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property Group. You can reach me at 239-671-4046. Again, that's 239-671-4046, or email me, roberto@bonitanationalcc.com, roberto@bonitanationalcc.com. And you can also visit our website, bonitanationalcc.com, for all the latest and greatest Bonita National news. This is Roberto Lee, folks. We'll see you next time.